Assalamualaikum. I and group members will present about topic 12, the use of assignment model in transportation problem. Firstly, I introduce myself. My name is NURUL SYUHADAH binti BAKAR 269921. I will present about transportation model. Transportation model a means of selecting the best way to distribute a product from a number of factories or warehouses to a number of destinations so as to maximize transportation costs while meeting customer requirements. Transportation model use linear programming to analyze such physical distributions management problem. Transportation problem is to transport various amount of a single homogeneous commodity which is internally stored at various origins to different destinations in such as a way that the total transportation cost is a minimum. Method of transportation. Number 1, northwest corner method. Number 2, row minimum method. Number 3, column minimum method. Number 4, less cost method. And lastly, Wager approximations method. So next, about assignment model. Assigning a specific person or worker to a specific task or job, assuming that they are the number of persons equal to the number of tasks available. The optimal result is to assign one person to one job, contrast to the transportation model to source and connected to more of destination. Next, application area of assignment problem. Number 1, in assignment mission to factory order. Number 2, in assigning sale or marketing people to sale territories. Number 3, in assignment contract to bidder by systematic bid evaluations. Number 4, in assignment teacher to classes. Number 5, in assigning accountant to account of the client. And lastly, in assignment police vessel to patrolling area. Difference between transportation problem and assignment problem. In transportation problem, number of sources and number of destination need not be equal. Hence, the cost metric is not necessarily. But in assignment problem, since assignment is done one basis, the number of sources and the number of destination are equal. Hence, the cost metric must be square metric. Number 2, in transportation problem, the problem is unbalanced if the total supply and total demand are not equal. But in assignment problem, the problem is unbalanced if the cost metric is not a square metric. Now we go to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum to Dr. Rahimi and my fellow friends. My name is SYAZWANI UZMA binti SAZALI, metro number 271023. Today, I would like to present example for Hungarian method that we'll use in assignment model. They have a two phase that we can use. I will explain how to calculate in phase 1 and phase 1, we need to know row and column reductions. Step 1, we need to subtract the minimum value of each row. From this, we need to apply a second step that is column reduction. Step 2, the rule states you need to subtract the minimum value of each column from the entries of that column. From that, we can get a new metric and we need to go a phase 2 where at there we can find an optimal solution. Next, I will give at my partner to explain the phase 2.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm SHAHANIRA ATIQAH binti SHAHRIN and my matrix number is 269914. Okay, for the step 1, draw a minimum number of lines to cover all the zero of the matrix. There was have row scanning and column scanning. We can go for the step 2, check whether the number of square mark is equal to the number of row of the matrix. If yes, you can go to the step 5, although you can go for the step 3. Okay, we next for the next slide. Okay, next slide for the identify the minimum value of the undeleted all value. For the step 4, you can go back to the step 1 and to take the tables, and for the step 5, treat the solution as marked by the square as the optimal solution. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is SHAHIRA binti ROSLAN. My matric number 272134. Let me explain special case in balance and unbalance of assignment problem. Assignment of jobs to factor man or machine to get most optimum output or get least cost. Regression method is a mostly used method of solving assignment problem. Assignment problem have two types. The first type is balance. The second type is unbalanced. The objective of special case is no workers is more than one job. The second objective is no job is elected to more on one workers. The third objective is total times taken to complete a job is minimum. And the last objective is the workers done is cost effective. Type of assignment problem is balanced assignment. An assignment is called balanced assignment. Problem is the number of person which is the factor is same as the number of jobs. Solve the following assignment problem to get maximum profit. Assignment problem have 3 steps. The second type is unbalanced assignment. An assignment is called unbalanced assignment. Problem is the number of person which is the factor is not same the number of job. Solve the following assignment problem to get completed in least time. The method of unbalanced assignment is the first step is subtract all the element each row from the largest element of respective row. The step 2 is subtract the least element of the each column from others element respective column, a lot of jobs. The step 3 is cancel or zero drawing line less than the number of row or columns. Step 4 is choose the least uncovered element and edit to all intersection point and subtract it from all covered element.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURUL binti BUDIMAN, matrix number 263495. Okay, I will present about the maximization assignment problem. There may be a situation when the assignment problem calls for maximization of profit. Such problem can be solved by converting the given maximization problem into minimization problem by subtracting all the elements of the given matrix from the highest element. Okay, let's see the example of maximization assignment problem. Okay, now we move to the solution. Okay, for the step 3, make assignment in the opportunity cost table. Okay, for step 4, now the number of assignment equal to 2 and the number of rows equal to 4. Which is not equal, so solution is not optimal. Okay, for the step 5, draw a set of horizontal and vertical lines to cover all the zero. Cover the zero with minimum number of lines. Okay, for the step 6, develop the new revised table by selecting the smallest elements among the cells that not covered by any line. For example, say K equals to 1. Okay, this is the last assignment in the opportunity cost table. Okay, next slide is about the step 4, which is now the number of assignment equal to 4 and the number of row equal to 4, which is equal, so the solution is now in the optimal. The optimal assignment are shown in the table 1I. The final answer. That's all from me. Thank you.